That's right, we're going back to back B-hole cleaning bidets. Why? Because it's really changed my life. And I'm saving the trees. But mainly, I'm getting my B-hole clean. And you should too. Get yourself a bidet. This one's got all sorts of features. I'm going to explain it all. I'm going to show you how to put it in. Let's go! Who doesn't love a good unboxing? I'll break down all the features, but let's just get what's in the box. Dun, dun. What a pretty looking seat. Oh yeah. Oh, we got all sorts of little gadgets and gizmos. Fancy dancy remote, filter, instructions. You don't need these, you got me. Aromatherapy tablets. Don't eat them, people. You don't need to eat that. Brackets, adapter, free stuff. Batteries, screws, the seat, most important. Let's put it in! So I'd love to get your take on a bidet. I know it's European, but I know a lot of people are jumping on board. And I was a naysayer. I started out with the dude wipes, and now I'd advanced to the bidet, and I'm not going back. I'm going to get a travel one because I just went on a little vacay and didn't have it, and I was disappointed. I mean, you just feel cleaner. It's like you take a little mini shower every time you go to number 2. It's necessary. Trust me. You don't have to buy this one, but just get your one. They got cheaper ones. This is a little fancy, but let me tell you, it's a game changer. Put this one in your cart. I think I'll have a little code maybe. If not, get one. Just do yourself a favor and get yourself one. All right, step 1, let's just turn off the water. You might need a towel. You're probably going to make a mess. All right, right here, we're just taking off all my water lines. If you just have a regular toilet seat, you're just going to have to take off this stainless steel line. Pretty straightforward. Might be a little water, so have a bucket or a towel ready. Onto the seat. Mine has a button. And you're just going to take the screws off. Might be a little nasty. Get some gloves. Alright, first step, we're going to put this tee on. Comes with the kit. Put it right onto the toilet. Let's see what I'm doing. Oh no, my light's down. I'm going to face mine that way and hide the water filter. Comes with the kit. It's going to go on this tee. I guess we'll point it this way for demonstration duties. Got that tight. This thing tight. When I'm done, I'll put that behind the toilet so that he has to see that. And then bring your water line into the bottom. Come on, Milwaukee. You could do better. You got that. So that kind of looks like that. Well, that's not even on. You get the point. Get those tight now. Step number 1 for the seat. Take these little rubber dilly whoppers. Get them in. Way too oversized hammer. I didn't think these were gonna work, but maybe. As I smack the toilet and break it. Are you too good for your home? Get in your home. Come on, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, so you don't need a hammer. That was aggressive. Come on. Yep, yep. Oh, yeah, there you go. Ta-da. Oh, but you need the bracket. U-channel's up. Screws, washer. Bingo, bango, bongo. Nice and soft. That's not going anywhere. So with the water line, you got this little elbow fitting. This is pretty simple. You just push it on there with these nice push connectors. I'm not going to leave the water filter here, but just for this demonstration, you just push this elbow on. That's it. Then you're going to take your line, push it in, ready to go. Then you're going to connect it to the seat. Once again, just push the line in. And like magic, no leaky. And you're ready to turn the water on and stare at the back of my head because I'm terrible at filming. But sometimes I'm funny, so you should stick around for the whole video. And I would appreciate that. And you should put it in your cart or check out the link because you love me. Thank you. All right, one of the last steps, we got to get this remote on the wall. I'm thinking right here, so when you're on the toilet, you can get it on there. So you could screw it in, or it's got some nice 3M patches. I don't feel like drilling into the tile, so 3M patches it is. Should we get a level? Probably. Are we going to? Nah. We're just going to sit here. Ooh. We're going to line it up with the tile. Bada boom. Bada bing. And we're not going to hit any buttons because we don't want to get blasted. And we should have got a level because that's a little crooked. Hey, and we're installed. We're ready for a clean b-hole. Go check out the link in the description. You will not be disappointed. This thing is ridiculous. It is a spa for your b-hole. Just so you know, I got my thermal camera out. You're going to have them hot buns. Look at that. 100 degrees right there. You ain't got to worry about that old guy that just got off the seat. Oh, correction. What does that mean? No, we got that. No, Ice cold winter, you come and sit down. Got them warm cheeks. Yeah, buddy. Let's get in here and explain all the things we got. So we got your normal, hold on. We got your normal bidet, your lady bidet. Drying, fantastic. It's heated too, don't forget that. Lift the cover, lift the seat, automatic. Clean the bidet. Yeah, it'll change the water temperature depending on the season. Fantastic. Your water pressures, if you like it a little light or if you like to bring the heat. And I don't mean heat as temperature because that's also adjustable. Water temperature, I keep taking it out of focus. You got seat temp. You got that drying air temperature. It'll clean itself. Got to turn it on. Spray wand. You know, you got to hit that beehole properly. And I think we got it all there. Oh, your night light. So you can go potty in the middle of the night. And there you go. I mean, check out all these features. It's ridiculous. It's a beehole spa. All right, now we got a clean beehole. Job done. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like. Ring the bell. And they got the new hype thing. I don't even know what that is. Let's go.